These are the 3 best gift card app for 2026. The number 1 on my list is Card Brother. Card Brother app. This is Card Brother. Go to your Play Store or Apple Store. Go and download Card Brother app. You understand right now? And why did I say these are the best 3 best gift card app in 2026? I've made video about all this app on my YouTube channel, and I have a lot of people that have signed up and they are using these 3 platforms, and none of them has ever come to complain about any of them before. Do you understand? So they are secure and reliable. Do you understand right now? And this is the number 1 on my list is Card Brother app. Do you understand? Card Brother. Go and download it. After you download it, open it like this. I'm going to show you how to sign up those 3 apps, how to withdraw your money, and how to sell your gift card on those 3 apps. Do you understand? So stay tuned. And one more important thing. Make sure you click on the subscribe button to subscribe to my YouTube channel for more updates. Turn on your notification, because whenever I drop another video, YouTube is going to notify you. Click on the like button to like this video, and also click on the share button to share it for more people to see. Do you understand right now? And after you finish watching, if you don't understand any part of it, you can write it in the comment section. I will answer you. Do you understand right now? Now let's keep going. Click any option down here and it will show you this interface. Click on sign up. Do you understand right now? So when you click on sign up, it will look like this. Do you understand right now? Then the first thing you are going to do right now is to put your name here. Your first name, your second name, then click on country. Select the country where you are, which is Nigeria. Do you understand right now? And you can see phone and email. Click on phone number if you want to use phone number to register. Click on email if you want to use Gmail to register. You can use any one of them. Do you understand? If you are using your phone number, make sure it is active phone number, because you are going to receive a verification code with it. And if you are using Gmail, make sure it is active Gmail, because you will get a code on it. Do you understand right now? Now, let's say you want to use Gmail. You put your Gmail here. Do you understand? And the next thing you will see, you can see verification code. Leave it first and jump to where it says password. Put your password like this. Make sure your password starts with capital letter. Let's say I want to use Godwin, hard number, and any symbol at the back like this. Do you understand? Or like this, or like this. Just make sure you start with capital letter, hard number at the back, and any symbol. The next thing you are going to do is to input your password again. Write your password again. They want to make sure it is correct. And the last one is invitation code. Do you understand right now? Use this invitation code that you are seeing here. Use this invitation code to register. If you use this invitation code, you are going to get a welcome bonus, and they will reward me as well. So do you understand right now? So that is the reason why you should use this invitation code to register. So after you put all this thing, you will now go back to Hop where it says verification code here. You can see at the front of it, you can see send. Tap on that send. Immediately you tap on it, they are going to send code to your Gmail or your phone number, depends on which one you use. Do you understand? So before that code expire, put that code here and click on submit. Then make sure you mark this side by continue. You agree to Card Brother terms of use. Mark it like this. It will not look like this. Mark it like this and click on submit. Immediately your account will be registered successfully. Do you understand right now? So now let me log into my own account and show you step by step how to sell your gift card on this app and how to withdraw your money to your bank account. Now let me log in, guys, and we continue. I have logged in right now. Do you understand right now? I've logged in right now. Now let's say we want to sell gift card here. You click on, you can see down here, you can see home, chat, transaction, main. Click on sell. Do you understand? And it's going to look like this. You can see select category, select card category. Click on it, click on change. Then you can scroll down to see the type of gift card you want to sell, or you want to trade. Do you understand? Or you want to redeem. It's all the same thing. Then let's say you want to sell resale good. We click on resale good. Then you can see country. Select the country of your gift card. You can scroll down to see all the type of country that are here. I'm going to use US as an example. Card Brother balance. Card balance. Let's say my card is $100. I will choose $100. Do you understand right now? If it is $50, choose $50. If it is $100, choose. If it is $200, choose $200. Do you understand? If it is $150, write $150 here. Write it $150. That is $150. Do you understand? Do you get it now? But if it, you can see quantity. If it is 2 cards, you plus it. You plus it like this. That means you are selling $100 card $200 $150 card, and it's 2 card, not 1. Do you understand? If it is 3, plus it to 3. Do you understand? Let's use one as an example. And you can see physical card and you can see code. You can see physical and code is on physical. Let me tell you, these are the difference. Physical card is a gift card, that someone purchased at a physical store. E-code is a gift card that someone purchased on a website online. So they will send the code of that gift card to that person's Gmail. That is e-code. Physical card, they are the common one. Then you leave it on fast. You can see speed fast. Leave it. The next thing you are going to do is to do you understand? The next thing you are going to do right now is to click on here and put your the code of your gift card. And if you have the image of it, you can decide to click on upload box, upload from gallery, and you select your code like this, your card like this. Then you click on confirm. Immediately, see this thing first. You can see direct payout. You understand? This direct payout is that they can, instead of pay to your card brother account, that you will now withdraw it to your account. If you click on direct payout, this money will pay to account below instead. So they will not pay to your this app. They will pay directly to your bank account that you had it. But I've not teach you that, and we are going there. Do you understand? So you can leave it on. You cannot. If you want to use direct payout, you had your bank account and use direct payout. So they pay direct to your bank account. If you didn't click on it, they will pay to your app. But let's leave it like this. So after you click on confirm, they will fill your card, and in a few seconds, your card will say success, and you will see your balance on your here on here. Do you understand right now? Your balance will be here. The next thing right now is to add your bank card, bank account. You click on me down here. You can see me. Click on me, and you can see wallet. You click on wallet. Do you understand right now? You see wallet here where the balance show here. You click on wallet, and when you click on wallet, you can see add bank card. You click on add bank card. Select the bank you are using. Write the name of your bank and write your account number, and choose either phone or email. So when you choose either phone or email, you will now tap this send on this verification. They will now send code to that phone number or email, depending on which one you use. You will now take that code again and put it here. Then you now click on submit. Then your bank account will be added successfully. Now to withdraw your money, let's go back. To withdraw your money, you can see down here, you can see withdraw. Then write the amount you want to withdraw. When you write the amount like this, do you understand right now? Withdraw 8,000, service fee is 100 naira. They will charge you for 100 naira for the withdrawal. Then you click on withdraw, confirm to withdraw. Immediately you click on confirm to withdraw, your money will deliver to your bank account. Do you understand right now? This is the first app that I recommend for 2026. Do you understand right now? And the second one on my list is Card Sales. Card Sales app. Go and download this application called Card Sales app. It's on Play Store. It's on Apple Store. Do you understand right now? Go and download it. Do you get it? So after you download it, open it like this and click any option down here. It will take you to this interface. Then you can see beside, you can see sign up. Click on sign up. Do you understand right now? When you click on sign up, it's going to look like this. You can see phone and email. You can see phone and email. So you can decide which one you want to use to register. Do you understand? Just like the first one. If you want to use Gmail, you write your Gmail here. If you want to use phone number, you click on here and you put your phone number here. It's all the same thing. Do you understand? After you put your phone number here, you can see verification code. Leave it first and create your password. Do you understand? Godwin 22 and this. Do you understand? Like this. Do you understand? Just make sure you had number and you had any symbol. Write your password again here, just like the other one. Then put your email here as well. Do you understand right now? You put your email here. Do you understand? If you use email here, they will tell you they will not ask for your email again. But if you use phone number, they will still ask for your email here. Do you understand? Then the next thing is to put this invitation code. You can see, although this invitation code is optional, but if you use it, they will give you welcome bonus of 3,000 naira. Yes, it's 3,000 naira, and they will also reward me. Do you understand? But if you didn't use it, they will not give you any welcome bonus. Do you understand? So I will say, please use it. Both of us can get benefits. Do you understand? Then click on this side, mark it like this, and go back to where it says verification code. Tap on the send at the front of it, and you will get code on your phone number or your Gmail, depending on which one you use. Put that code here and click on sign up, and your account will be ready successfully. Do you grab right now? Now let me log in on this app as well and show you step by step how to use this one as well, and how you are going to withdraw your money. Do you understand right now? Now let me log in. This is my account. I've logged in right now. You can see on these 3 accounts, I have my personal account that I'm using. So I sell my gift card on this 3 platform. Do you understand right now? So this is my own account for this. And to sell your gift card right now, you can see down here, you can see dashboard, wallet, sell, transaction. Click on sell. Do you understand? It's going to pop up automatically. This one is automatically. It will pop up, then select. Let's use Apple. Let's say I want to sell Apple card. Select, you can see, choose subcategory. Click on it and select the country of your gift card. You can see this one is different the way it is. Select the country like this. Physical card, if it is physical card, if it is eco, select, then click on fast for speed, then mark it like, click on OK, then choose the this thing, the amount of your gift card, the balance of your gift card. If it is 2 card plus it, that is 200 card. Then I want to use 1. Then enter your code here, the code of your gift card. Do you understand right now? Or you upload the image of your gift card like this, select it like this and add it like this. Do you understand right now? After that, you click on confirm, and in a few seconds this amount of money will be available in your balance like this. Do you understand right now? Now, to add your bank account, you click on wallet. Do you understand right now? When you click on wallet, you can see add bank card here. You can see select the bank you are using, write the name on your bank account, select write your account number and click on add bank account, and your bank account will be added successfully, just like my own like this. Then to withdraw your money, you can see withdraw up here. Click on withdrawal, then write the amount you want to withdraw. Do you understand? The minimum you can withdraw on this one is 6,000 naira. Do you understand? And you can see down here, you can see swipe to withdraw. When you place your finger on it and you swipe down to the right, it will say success and your money will deliver to your bank account. Do you understand right now? This is the second app, do you understand, that I recommend personally. And now let's go to the third one. The third one on our list is Card Cosmic app. Card Cosmic app. This is Card Cosmic app. Go and download it. It's on Apple Store and it's on Play Store. So after you download Card Cosmic app, guys, click open it like this and click any option down here, and you can see welcome back. Do you understand? And you can see down here, you can see you don't have an account, sign up. Click on sign up. Do you understand right now? This one is different than the other one. You can see sign up. You can see your name. Put your name here. Put your email here. Put your phone number here. Then put your password here. This one don't need verification. Godwin 2 dash. You can see just like this. You do understand like this, just like this. After that, put this invitation code. Use this invitation code, so you get a welcome bonus. Do you understand? And I will get a bonus too for showing you this. Do you understand right now? Then mark this thing. I agree to Card Cosmic terms and condition. And after that, click on sign up and your account will be ready successfully. Now let me log in to show you this one too, how you are going to use it successfully. I don't want you to make any mistake. Do you understand right now? So make sure you come and watch this video to the very end, so you can use any of this app at any time. Now let me log in. This is my own account right now. Do you understand right now? Now, to sell your gift card, do you understand? You can see up here, you can see withdrawal. Do you understand? You can see withdrawal, you can see sell now. Click on sell now. Do you understand? And it's going to pop up. Let's say we want to sell Steam card. We select Steam card. We select, this one is balance that comes first. We select the balance, $100. If it is 2, that is, we want to sell 2 cards, $100 each. Do you understand? The next thing, I want to choose the country of my card, USA. Then I will click on physical. If it is e-code, choose e-code. Then I will upload the image of my gift card from my gallery like this. Gallery. I will upload it like this. Bam. Do you understand? Then I will click on confirm. But if I didn't have the image of my gift card, if it is only the code that I have, I will write the code here and click on confirm, and this money will deliver to your bank account. You just have to wait for a few seconds and it will deliver to your bank account. Now to withdraw your money, this is what you are going to do. Click on me. Click on me. When you click on me, you can see bank account. Click on bank account. Do you understand? Add bank account. Then select your bank. your bank name and your bank account. Click on save. It will be added successfully like my own. You can see it there. Now to withdraw, go to back to home. You can see home here. Click on home and you can see withdrawal before sell. Click on withdrawal. Write the amount you want to withdraw. You understand? Then you can see down here, you can see minimum withdrawal is 8,000 naira. If I have the minimum of 8,000, more than 8,000 naira now, I can be able to withdraw. You can just, it will say confirm to withdraw down here. Then you click on confirm to withdraw and your money will deliver to your bank account, guys. So this is the 3 best gift card app for 2026 that I recommend. That I boldly recommend. So make sure you like this video, share it for more people to see, and subscribe for more updates. If you have any question, write it in the comment section. I will answer you. One love, guys.